ChatGPT gives you words. Claw Agent AI gives you workers, not one. An entire team of AI employees working for you around the clock, all from a single message on Telegram. Here is the strange truth about AI right now. Everyone has it. Almost nobody is actually saving time with it. You still write the prompts. You still fix the robotic answers. You still jump between 10 tabs, each with its own monthly bill. And the moment you hear about those powerful, OpenClaw-style agents that can actually do the work for you, you hit a wall. Servers, Docker, API keys, terminal commands. Most people give up before anything even runs. So here's a better question. What if you could skip all of it? No code, no servers, no setup. You just open a chat app you already use, type one plain English command, and get finished business work back in minutes. That is exactly why we built Claw Agent AI, the world's first OpenClaw-powered app that lets you command unlimited AI employees, each one loaded with over 250 skills, right from Telegram, WhatsApp, or Discord. And it really is this simple. Step 1. Log in and connect Telegram. Nothing to install. Step 2. Tell it what you want in plain English. Step 3. Your AI employees get to work behind the scenes, researching, writing, and building together. Step 4. Minutes later, finished work lands back in your chat, ready to use. Let me show you. The user opens Telegram and sends one single command. Scan ClickBank for the top 5 Gravity products in the health niche. Build a comparison review site ranking all 5 with my affiliate links. Write a 7-day email series and schedule it to my list. One message. Now watch what comes back. The offer hunter pulls the top 5 products. The review site builder ranks all 5 into a finished comparison page, with your affiliate links already inside. The email writer drafts the full 7-day series, and the campaign is lined up to schedule to your list. All of it from one command. That is the difference. Normal AI waits for you to do the work. Claw Agent AI does the work for you. Inside, you get more than 250 ready-made AI workers, a lead finder, a sales page writer, an email sequencer, a research agent, and over 240 more. You are not babysitting a chatbot. You are commanding a workforce, and you stay in full control the whole time. Your agents prepare the work. You review, edit, and approve before anything is sent, posted, or published. You can also build a brand new AI employee in about 30 seconds and train it on your own offers and brand voice. Nothing happens without your say-so. Whether you are an affiliate looking for your next offer, an agency owner buried in client work, or a solo founder doing everything alone, this replaces a whole stack of tools and tasks. Email software, research help, virtual assistants, automation apps, freelancers for every job. For most people, that is hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every single month, paid over and over. Claw Agent AI brings all of it into one place. And during this launch, you are not paying monthly. You are not paying $197 a month. Today, you can get full access for a single one-time payment of just $57 to $67. But this one-time price is a launch deal. The moment this launch closes, Claw Agent AI moves to its regular monthly plan. Get in now and you lock in everything for a single payment, not a recurring bill, and you are fully protected by a 30-day money-back guarantee. If it does not give you the workforce power you expected, just let us know and you get every penny back. So click the button below, get instant access, and put your AI employees to work today.